Choosing the wrong investment type could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Most beginners make this exact mistake because nobody explains what really matters. Today, I'm breaking down the only 5 investment types you need to know, from the safest wealth builders to the highest risk moonshots. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which ones match your goals and risk tolerance, plus the one investment that can help you beat 90% of professional money managers. I've analyzed thousands of portfolios and seen or made nearly every mistake in the book. What I'm sharing comes from experience, real market data, and strategies that have worked for decades, not social media hype or TikTok trends. So let's dive in with investment type number 1, individual stocks, the make or break investment. Here's the deal with individual stocks. You're literally buying a piece of a company. Sounds simple, right? Wrong. The learning curve is brutal. You need to analyze financials, leadership teams, competitive advantages. It's like being a part-time detective. The risk? Sky high. Pick wrong, and you could lose everything. But here's what nobody tells you. If you master stock analysis, the passive income potential through dividends and appreciation is incredible. Plus, when held in a Roth IRA, your gains are completely tax-free. The bottom line? Practice with demo accounts first. Start with fractional shares of expensive stocks, and never put all your eggs in one basket. Let's move to our next option. Number 2, REITs, the landlord without the headaches. Now this is interesting. REITs let you invest in shopping centers, offices, and apartments without dealing with tenants or toilets. By law, REITs must distribute 90% of profits as dividends. The average REIT yields 3.8% annually, crushing most regular stocks. The learning curve? Moderate, easier than buying actual property. But watch out, real estate was the worst investment of 2022, losing 31.1% when interest rates spiked. REITs can be volatile during real estate downturns. Pro tip, hold REITs in your IRA so the taxman won't mug you. Next up is Type 3, cryptocurrency. The Wild West. Listen closely because crypto is where fortunes are made and lost overnight. Digital money on blockchain sounds revolutionary, but the volatility is insane. Crypto offers high potential returns, but with greater risk. The learning curve involves understanding wallets, exchanges, and tokenomics. Good news. As of August 2025, crypto can be held in tax-advantaged accounts. Stick to major players like Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum if you're starting out. Reality check. Only invest what you can afford to lose completely. We have 2 more assets to discuss, and the next is Type 4, gold, the crisis insurance. Here's something different. Gold doesn't grow your wealth, it protects it. Zero passive income, no dividends, no rent. But when inflation hits or markets crash, gold often shines. The learning curve? Almost nothing. Buy physical gold or gold ETFs. Over long periods, gold returns about 7.38% annually. Decent but not spectacular. It's insurance, not an investment. I may have saved the best for last. You can decide after you hear about Type 5, index funds, the secret weapon. And now for the investment that changes everything, index funds. You automatically own pieces of hundreds or thousands of companies. U.S. large cap stocks have returned 8.6% annually since 1985. The learning curve? Basically zero. Here's the kicker. Index funds in Roth IRAs give you tax-free dividends and capital gains. For most investors, beginners, and pros, this is the ultimate long-term wealth builder. Self-storage REITs actually delivered 16.7% annual returns over 30 years, but index funds require zero research and still crush most active managers. Your action plan. So, what should you do? Start with index funds as your foundation. They're the safest way to build wealth long-term. Add small percentages of other investments to diversify. Use accounts like Roth IRAs for everything possible. Most importantly, start now, even with just $100. Time in the market is the best way to make money in the market. Remember this, You don't need to be a Wall Street genius. You just need the right mix of investments for your situation. Index funds for stability, maybe some REITs for income, individual stocks if you love research, a touch of gold for protection, and crypto only if you can stomach the roller coaster. The biggest mistake? Not starting. Every day you wait costs you compound growth that you'll never get back. If this breakdown helped, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to help more beginners find this crucial information. Drop a comment with which investment type you're starting with. And if you want more no BS investment content that actually helps you build wealth, hit subscribe. I drop fresh videos every week breaking down complex investing into simple strategies. Peace and profits to you all.